I really would like to show you something from the real life through a short demonstration of something that we have built, and therefore let me introduce Dr. Marcello Vignocchi.
Okay, we think that based on what Simone said on the research of innovation on meaning, the mobile technology could help us a lot. Now, what we are showing now is the new system that we are developing, and one of the first things that we wanted to introduce that comes from the digital world is the wish list. For example, here I have just one item in the wish list, but I want to enrich the wish list using a magazine. So here I have a magazine where there is a Gucci advertising. We didn't put any barcode here. So we want to scan, basically, the picture in order to get the items that are there. OK? The system recognizes the picture and show me all the items that are available in that advertising. Thank you. The next point that I want to show you is that, of course, for us it's important that the customer come to the store. So let me show this part of the demo. What we have in the store, here we have Las Vegas Bellagio, is a sort of iPad where there is a QR code that they can use when they go to the store. So when the customer arrives in the store, here I have my badge, my usher badge. When the customer arrives to the store, we can just scan the QR code. And what happens is that you see in the application of the sales associate, you can see that there is a customer in the store. And if you click on launch, you can recognize in some way that this customer has just arrived to the store. You can also see my picture that it comes from the badge, so that in this way, you can also recognize me. So now let's move to the next phase of the demo. And this is a touch video. So if I click here, I can get some items of the look that we have here. The customer that has Usher, that has the Luce application, can interact with the video. So you see that here there is the Usher QR code. I can do again a check-in. And doing this check-in, the video is linked to my iPhone. I can move ahead with the video. What I can do is that I can take one of the items and drag here. So if I drag here the item, what happens is that this item is added to the wish list. So you see that now in my wish list, I have also this item. Now the very last functionality is related to the Bluetooth. So when I'm in the store, I can click on Discover. And now when I go close to a bag, I can get information on this bag. So you see here, I get all the information of this bag. And if I go and I move on the other bag, what happens is that while I'm exploring, as soon as I come here, I get. So now, when I have explored the store and I have my wish list, and what I can do is ask for assistance. I'm in Gucci Las Vegas Bellagio. I can click here, and in this way, the system sends a message to Simone. Simone can see the customer that entered in the store. He knows when he entered in the store, and now that asks for assistance. And if you click here, you can get our information from our CRM system, and moreover, can click on the wish list. And in this way, you can understand exactly what I'm looking for. So you see that we have the same wish list.
OK, so this ends our live demonstration. Thank you very much for attending the presentation.